Whatever you can imagine, you can create.
We are going to decode a technique that has been used by many extremely successful people to visualize their desired outcomes for ages. The elite athletes use it, the super rich and affluent use it, and the peak performers in all the fields use it. And that superpower is called the power of visualization.
But before beginning the video, let us look at some real-life examples of extremely successful people who have used the power of visualization.
When I came to Bombay for the first time, तब मुझे याद है मैं ऑडिशन देने जाता था और अपने मन में मैंने सोचा था कि जब तक मेरा कोई ऑडिशन क्रैक नहीं होगा मैं किसी बीच को नहीं देखूंगा. लाइक मैं जुहू बीच क्रॉस करता था एंड बॉम्बे इज लाइक इट्स राइट नेक्स्ट टू द ओशन. मैं देखूंगा ही नहीं. मैं ऐसे जाता था ऑटो से छुप के एंड इट वॉज द पावर सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. एक हफ्ते तक मैंने देखा ही नहीं बीच को. किसी के घर जाता था, बीच नज़र आ रहा, मैं देखता ही नहीं था. एंड when I got my first contract in my hand as a radio presenter, then I went to Juhu Beach and I opened my arms and I was like, I've arrived. I've conquered this world.
I'm an up-and-coming fighter, and without a doubt you will see me on the UFC in the near future. You know what I mean? You see yourself with all the belts and all everything. And no matter what no one else says, as long as you see that and really believe in it, that's what's going to happen.
Yeah, it does. It feels beautiful. I dreamt this so much, so clearly, so precisely, and so frequently that it has manifested itself into reality. And that's what I am feeling right now. It's a dream come true.
What is power of visualization? Visualization is seeing the goal as already complete in your mind's eye. Now, this is a core technique that has been used by world's most successful people. It is effective because it harnesses the power of our subconscious mind. When we visualize our goal as complete, it creates a conflict in our subconscious mind between what we are visualizing and what we currently have. And our minds are hardwired to resolve such conflicts by working super hard to create a current reality that matches the one that we have envisioned. Visualization activates the creative powers of your subconscious mind. It motivates you to work harder at creating solutions. You'll also notice new levels of motivation, and guess what? That will take you closer and closer towards reaching your goal and ultimately achieving success.
Now let us understand how to practice the power of visualization. The number one rule is be in extreme love with what you want to achieve.
You won't get positive results if you're really not excited about what you desire. Your emotions are the driving force behind your visualization. Give your goals your passion, but don't become too attached to the outcome, because something even better and bigger might manifest in unexpected ways.
Now the second rule is visualize often, but for short, intense bursts.
If you can hold your image for as little as half a minute, you are creating a powerful attraction. Visualize often and gradually build up to longer and more detailed visualizations.
Now the third rule is to create an image of what you want to achieve, extremely detailed within your mind.
Being too vague is going to give you vague results. So it's very important to be specific with what you want. So it's really important to create an image that is as detailed as possible.
Now the fourth rule is to reinforce that image in your mind with strong and positive affirmations.
Now what this does is that it opens you up to accepting the image of your subconscious mind, where the real magic of manifestation occurs as your mind receives the command to seek out what you imagine. The rule is pretty simple. Whatever you can conceive, you can achieve.
So this was today's video, all about the power of visualization. I hope you guys have liked this, and if you did, then do like this video, do comment, and do share us on your story and tag us. That will help us to reach the masses. Until then, it's Rahul signing out.